Yo, what's poppin', Playboys? Welcome back to another video, man. In today's video, we're gonna be giving out this new product a try by Shine Armor. Shout out to Shine Armor. I can't even speak right now. Shout out to Shine Armor for sending this over to me. It's their new Graphene ceramic spray, and if you guys don't know what ceramic is, ceramic coating, it helps the water bead off your car, protects it from UV rays, bird droppings, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna be giving it a shot out. We're gonna be giving it a shot on Dusty because Dusty is filthy, as you guys already know. That's why she's named Dusty. But yeah, she's super dirty, and we're gonna see how well this thing makes Dusty look, because Dusty, when she is clean, she definitely does shine. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of this. The only reason why I didn't finish it up yesterday is because it just got too dark, and I can't show you guys how the car looks if it's dark outside. But yeah, Dusty's clean. She's super clean right now. I don't have any tire shine. This is like being in the winter, or like being somewhere that's cold and not having any chapstick. Your lips are just dry, Dusty tires just dry. So yeah, definitely put some tire shine on the car. But first, I'm gonna show you guys how to use a ceramic spray. It is pretty simple. Shout out to Shine Armor for sending this over to me to demonstrate for you guys. If you guys want to go pick this up, I'm gonna have it. Huge shout out to Shine Armor for sending this over to me. If you guys want to go pick up this product, I'm gonna leave it in the description. You guys go grab it, try it out for yourself, and let me know how you guys think about it. But yeah, let's get into it. It's pretty simple on how you spray this on, and basically it's pretty simple how you get this thing on the car, bro. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let's get it. Alright guys, so the way you're gonna do this, literally have the instructions on the back of it. The camera's definitely, oh there we go. But yeah, you guys could kind of see that. So basically what Shine Armor wants you to do is they want you to spray it on the microfiber towel that they provide for you. So I'm gonna give it like a good little spray. And basically you just want to wipe down the car. Missed the corner over here. If it gets dry, just spray it again. See, personally me, if I was doing this, if I was the creator of this, luckily I read the instructions, because if I didn't, I would have most definitely just sprayed it on the car. Right now, just by feeling it, that the car most definitely feels smoother. Like, definitely feels smoother. Let's do the bottle test. Make sure this is clean. Woo! You guys seen that? Woo! Yeah guys, so basically that's what you do, that's how you apply it, and I'm gonna do the rest of the car, but there's no need for you guys to, there's no need for me to teach you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna do a quick little cinematic, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. one thing I do like about the Shine Armor a lot is that it actually smells pretty damn good. Like, it has a nice, pleasant scent to it. A lot of wax sprays don't actually smell that good. Like, I know for a fact Meguiar's have a wax spray that I personally hate the smell of, and I'm black as hell. Ooh. But yeah, Meguiar's have a spray that I'm personally not a fan of. But yeah, this Shine Armor actually smells pretty damn good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the video before it gets too dark again, which is kind of already doing. Should be like 9 o'clock by now. But yeah, man. Once again, huge shout out to Shine Armor. If you guys want to go pick you up, boy, I'm black. If you guys want to go try and pick up one, I'm gonna put the link down below. Go try it out for yourself. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's where I'm at off the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram at underscore got the soda. And yeah, your boy's out. Peace.